UDA, kazi ni kazi. Your Excellency, in front of you is Dennis Ngaruya, ready to perform a poem entitled Mr. Future President. Be my guest. Just a humbled man from Kamagut who defied all odds to step in our land. Nairobi residents, did you ever imagine of a dignitary, a bigwig, His Excellency, making such a coalition? It is a progress, and with God, many more are on the way. Your vision for a stable economy is beyond the skies. Upon this, Kenya, under your leadership, will be ranked among the fast-growing economies in Africa. Mr. Future President, they say, God blesses works of a man's hand. Your works are more than meets the eye. They say, humility is not cowardice. We witnessed you being handed over power by His Excellency, the President. What does it show? To protect the sovereignty of the Kenyan people, to protect the interest of the Kenyan citizen. From deep down your heart, the head challenge did not deter you from serving and building Kenya. Credit should be given where due. Your service to the Kenyan people is incredibly remarkable. Your undying spirit, despite challenges from innumerable wet blankets. May God be with you, hustler. As I conclude, remain steady like a warrior, for you are the #1 warrior. Keep God first and sure enough, no effort you have put will go down the drain. Ama hustler unapangwa. Mina jo pangungwi. May God be with you in all your endeavors. Thank you.